viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Zinger Burger. For this, definitely I need chicken, burger and other spices. So first of all, I will just cut this chicken and I will add some spices. I need to cut this chicken into pieces. I have cut chicken into pieces. The other chicken I am taking from the sides. Now I need to add spices. So I need to add flour, pinch of salt, black pepper, a pinch of chaat masala, and lemon juice. You just need to subdue this seed. Mix it. We will put some oil in a pan, and when the oil is heated, then put the chicken into pan and cook this very well from both sides. So viewers, my chicken is fried and I have cut some cucumber, radish, carrot and tomato, and I have heat my burger and I have shami. I also heat this and now I am making burger sauce. So for the burger sauce I need ketchup, mayonnaise, black pepper sauce and sweet chili sauce. I will mix these sauces. Viewers, my chicken is ready. So you can see it's cooked and crispy. I have cut for the sauce I have added black pepper sauce and now I am adding mayonnaise and tomato sauce, sweet chili sauce. Just mix them very well. And now let's ready the burger. I will take this piece and add some sauces at the bottom. Then I need to add my shami. Later I need to add radish, cucumber, and my chicken piece, tomato, radish, cucumber, and again at this side I also need to add sauce. So viewers, you can see my delicious burger is ready.